Hello traders. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the time to next bar indicator for MT4. This tool displays a live countdown on your chart showing exactly how much time is left before the current candle closes and the next bar opens. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Okay, there we have it if you look closely to the top left. Alright, the time to next bar indicator shows a digital timer directly on the main chart, usually in a corner, counting down the minutes and seconds remaining in the current bar. As the timer approaches zero, you see the candles about to close, which visually tells you when a signal will be confirmed or when a new bar and fresh data will begin. When the counter resets to the full period, you know a new bar has opened, helping you time entries that rely on candle closes rather than intra-bar noise. This constant visual reference makes it easier to coordinate your decision making across different time frames without guessing how much time is left on each candle. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. The inputs. Alright, so our only adjustable parameter here is number of bars, numbers, and then we can customize our colors as well. Right, you can also use it on your preferred time frames. So who is the indicator for and what are its limitations? Time to next bar indicator is ideal for traders who enter on candle closes, such as price action, breakouts, or indicator confirmation traders on any time frame. It is strictly an informational tool. It does not make trading decisions and does not account for factors like spread, slippage, or new spikes that can affect execution at or just after bar close. It works best as a simple timing aid alongside your existing strategy and risk management rules. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the time to next bar indicator MT4 and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.